Electricity is raw, untamed power. If you plugged your phone directly into a power plant, it wouldn't just break, it would vaporize. So how do we tame this wild energy to make it useful? The answer lies inside every device you own, where a team of microscopic guardians works in perfect concert. First, there's the switch. You know the toggle on your wall, but the real hero is the transistor. It's an electronic switch with no moving parts, arguably the most important invention of the 20th century. Billions of them inside your phone's processor flicker on and off, creating the binary code, the ones and zeros, that forms the very language of computing. But all that high-speed chatter needs protection. That's the job of the resistor, the traffic cop of the circuit. It's designed to be a bottleneck, deliberately restricting the flow of electrons to a safe, manageable trickle. Without it, delicate components like LEDs would simply pop. Then you have the ultimate bodyguard, the fuse. It's a sacrificial hero containing a tiny wire designed to melt and break the circuit the instant a dangerous power surge occurs. It's the cheapest part of a machine, but it dies to save the most expensive parts. Your home circuit breaker does the same thing, but it's conveniently resettable. Finally, there's the capacitor. Think of it as a small bucket, storing a bit of electricity. It smooths out any dips in power, releasing its stored charge to keep things running steady. It's the reason your computer's power light fades out gently when you unplug it, instead of just shutting off. Switches, resistors, fuses, capacitors. They are the controllers, protectors, and stabilizers. Working together by the millions on a silicon wafer the size of your fingernail, these components transform raw power into the intelligent energy that runs our modern world.